Hi guys, my name is Joy and here's the programmers underscore JFJ YouTube channel. Today we'll be focusing on Python comments. Before we can start coding or showing you what are Python comments, let me try explain what are comments in Python. Comment in Python begins with a hash mark and white space character and continue to the end of the line. Generally comments will look like this. Let me show you how a comment look like. Start with the hash. This is a comment or hash Python comment. Comments in Python are so different when compared to other programming languages because other programming languages use a double forward slash to show a comment. So Python uses hash rather than the forward slash. Because comments do not execute when you run a program, you will not see any condition of the comment there. Comments are in the source of code for humans to read, not the computer to execute. If you can run this, nothing will be executed because these are comments. Please subscribe to this channel so we can release more videos based on Python. Thanks for watching this video. Like and share.